Well, hello there, and welcome to another Epic Arrow production. I'm sitting here with my trusted assistant, Bella, and she's guarding the front sidewalk against any trespassers that may walk down. It's very essential to my business. But today I want to talk about YouTube videos and how to rank them in YouTube and Google. Now, this is a very easy method, and if you haven't made any money online yet or want to make more money online, it's extremely easy to set up a YouTube channel, get some content for it, and start ranking them. Now, the way I do is that I connect it to my Amazon Associates account, and it makes me anywhere from about $50 to $150 per channel, and each channel will have about 15 to 20 videos. Now, this is a very good way to set up a passive income stream, and I know this is a keyword that's thrown around a lot in different online communities and different online courses, and do not confuse passive income with no work. You're going to have to put some hard work in up front, but going down the road, you just kind of set it and forget it, and every single month, commissions are going to start rolling in. So what we're going to do is we're going to hop over to my computer, and I'm going to show you exactly how I set up these YouTube channels, the different link packages I throw at them, how to get views and likes to your videos, and essentially how to start making your first dollars online. So let's hop over and check this out.
Okay, so here we are at the computer, and we're just going to dive right into ranking YouTube videos. So the first thing you're going to want to do is keyword research. This is the most important part. Do not skip this step. You will regret it, and you will not make any money. So when we're doing keyword research, we use Longtail Platinum, and it's a paid service, and I know people, for some reason, in the SEO communities do not like to pay for tools because they think free traffic and everything should be free. But if you are doing keyword research, you need to pick up this tool. I'm not even going to say anything else about it. It is just fantastic. It makes my life so much easier when I'm doing keyword research. So when we're using Longtail Platinum, the criteria we go by is we use Longtail keywords with 4 or more words inside of the keyword. We use keywords that have 750 or more local searches, and we use keywords with competition 30 or below. So we're going to jump over to Longtail Platinum, and I'm going to show you exactly how we do this. Okay, so here we are at Longtail Platinum, and I'm not going to go very in-depth in this tool, but basically all I did was I typed in the seed keyword GoPro, and it returned all of these results. So based on our criteria, we want anything with at least 750 local searches, we want number of words to be at least 4, and we want I've already pulled back the competitiveness scores on these keywords. We want anything that's 30 or below. So we see we have GoPro for sale, how much are GoPros, and what is a GoPro. So these are great keywords that we could use to start coming up with ideas to create a video. So now we're going to jump over to video creation and take a look at how we do that. Okay, so for video creation, you have a couple different ways you can do it. One is a screen recording software, which is screen recording is basically what I'm doing. I'm just recording the screen right now on my computer. And you've got some free sources to use. You've got EasyVid, Cam Studio, and QuickTime. I think QuickTime is only a Mac thing. I think it's paid on Windows, but I'm using QuickTime right now, and I really like it. Now, for a paid version of screen recording, you have Camtasia. I believe they have a free trial. I'm not too sure how much it is a month, but a lot of guys in the internet marketing community use Camtasia, and they really like it. So if I was going to purchase one, it would probably be Camtasia. Then you have video creation software. You have VideoMaker FX, which I think was $50, and I think I paid another $50 for some additional slides. I think you can even pay more to get slides every month, but I didn't go that route. But that's exactly what I use, and what I'm going to show you today is VideoMaker FX. Great little tool. I really like it. I can't say enough good things about it. Then there's Explaindio, and I think it's sort of like VideoMaker FX. I've never used it, but I've heard very good things about it. And I want to say it's at like $57 a year to use it. And I'm sure if it's a yearly fee that they usually probably update the slides and everything that you're going to be able to use for it. Then there's VideoScribe, which I think is around $20 a month, and it's more of like whiteboard videos, but it serves the same purpose. But the only one we're actually going to go over today is VideoMaker FX because I love this tool. So we're going to hop over there, and I'm going to show you exactly what VideoMaker FX does. Okay, so here we are at Video Maker FX, and all you're gonna do is hit Create Project, and let's say Go Pros for Sale. So that'll be your file name. And then you can go in here and just start adding slides. So let's just do like a basic text intro, and it'll give you a little preview. So we'll add that slide. And you can go through and you can change like GoPros for sale. And you'll see it's going to change on the screen. You can change font size. You can move it around on the screen. You can change pretty much anything on here. Different styles of font. Let's do a crisp shadow. You can change the background image. Not from file. Let's do open their own gallery they have. And I like this one here. So we'll use that. And there's tons of different things on here you can use. Let's see here. I like the kinetic ones. I think they look really, really cool. So I'm just going to go ahead and add all slides from kinetic. And I'll just play it through so you can kind of see how you'd be able to use this. Actually, this is going to be really long. But we'll just do a little preview of the project. So this would be kind of like the video. And you could go through all the ones that I added, like these ones. You could go through and change all this stuff. You could change this. I'm sure that was you're supposed to have a picture in here you can put in there. Just all sorts of different stuff. It's really cool. It's a fantastic little application to create videos. And I'll show you some videos that I've created. But I'll let it run for a couple more seconds so you can kind of get an idea. And this is just one of, many. There's hundreds of slides in this thing you can use. And all this is customizable. So I think you kind of get the picture. And you can go to their site and you'll get a lot more information there. So once you've created your video, then you're going to need to do some SEO on it. And I like to break this up into on-video SEO and off-video SEO, sort of like on-page and off-page factors. So you'll have the file name. You want that to be the exact match keyword you're trying to rank for. You want to use the video file description, throw in the keyword there. You want to use video file tags. You want to throw in the keyword there. You want your YouTube title to be the exact match keyword. You're going to want 300 to 400 words in the YouTube description. You're going to want exact match and LSI keywords in the YouTube tags. Then you're going to want to use any applicable advanced YouTube video settings. For the off-page video SEO or off-video SEO, you're going to want to use link packages, SAP links, social signals, video views, and video likes. So I know that was a lot to take in right now, and I'm going to walk you through exactly what I'm talking about right now. Okay, so unfortunately on a Mac computer, a lot of the things I talked about on your on-video SEO, you're not going to be able to edit. So what I've done here is I have VMware Fusion, and I'm running it on my Mac. And what I'm going to do is, this is a stupid little video that I created. It was like an intro before I did all my intro videos. We're just going to use it as an example. So let's say I wanted to rank for GoPro. GoPros for sale. We want to make the file name GoPros for sale. Then we want to go to details and we want to add a title of GoPros for sale. We'll add a subtitle of for sale. It doesn't have to be anything. Just make sure you get the keywords in there. I always like to give it a 5-star rating. I don't know if that matters. And then for tags, we do like GoPro, GoPro for sale, GoPros on sale. Okay. And then you can just keep going through here and you can put in other stuff. I think that's about all I fill out, but it wouldn't hurt to go ahead and fill out some more of this metadata that's in here. But that's pretty much all we fill out here. And then we're going to jump over to YouTube and we're going to upload this. I'm going to show you exactly what you need to do there. Okay, so here we are at YouTube and we've gone to my channel and we're going to select a file to upload. And it should be GoPro for sale. You want to make sure, like I said, the file name is the exact keyword you want to rank for. So we're going to go ahead and put it in. And then you could put some other things in the title, like maybe best GoPros for sale. It doesn't really matter. Then you're going to want to have a 300 to 400 word YouTube article or description right here. Then you're going to want to go down to tags and you're going to want to put like GoPro for sale. That's pretty much all I would type in there. And then you want to go over to advanced settings. You want to make sure you have the right one. So this would be science and technology, recording dates. You want to set the language to English. Pretty much anything you can set in here, I always set. Now, if you're trying to rank for a local SEO keyword like GoPros for sale in Ohio or GoPros for sale in, let's say, Cleveland, Ohio, what I would do is I would search for Cleveland, Ohio and stick it in there because Google's going to geolocate that video and it's going to rank it higher for the search term GoPro for sale in Cleveland, Ohio. So that pretty much wraps it up. All you want to do is make sure that you've got the exact match keyword in the title. You want a 300 to 400 word description. You want the exact keyword and LSI keywords in the tags, and you want to go to the advanced section and fill it out the best you can. And like I said before, I only use the video location if I'm trying to rank for a search term that has that city in the keyword. So that's it for that. And next we're going to look at some off-page SEO factors, or off-video SEO factors. Okay, when you're doing off-video SEO, you can basically just buy link packages, and they don't have to be the highest quality. You just kind of want to look at people's reviews of these link packages, and you can throw some what's considered more spammy links at a YouTube video because the domain authority is very high, and Google is not going to penalize their own property because YouTube is owned by Google. So what I do is I go to Fiverr and I type in YouTube SEO. And I like to sort by average customer ratings, and this looks like a really high gig, so we could go in here and see what she has. Looks like she does some Web 2.0 submissions, document sharing, question and answer sites, image sharing, 15 article directories. So this looks like it would actually be a pretty good link package for a video. And I would probably throw it at it, give it 3 weeks to a month and see where it's at. Another thing you can do is you can go to Source Market. And this is one of my favorite places to get YouTube SEO. And you can essentially do the exact same thing. And in the description, I will link out to some YouTube SEO packages that I do. So you can see there are a ton. You can go by a rating. And it looks like this guy, he puts it on Web 2.0, social bookmarks, social shares. He does 2 tiers. And it looks like it's a pretty solid gig, and I would definitely use it. Another thing you can use is SEO links. You can go and type them in either at Source Market or at Fiverr. And you can go through and basically do the exact same thing. You want to look for SEO links. SEO links are not good to be pointing at your money sites if you really don't know what you're doing, but they can be very good to point at videos, and they can really boost your rankings in videos. So I'll leave a couple links to some SEO packages that I think are worthwhile. And then you got social signals packages, and you can get them from Fiverr and Source Market. And I'm not going to continue to bore you with this, but what I really want to show you is a YouTube channel that I set up 2 months ago and is already starting to make some pretty decent money for the time invested in it. So I started this YouTube channel. It's called Daily Hunting and Fishing Reviews. And you can see that I started it 2 months ago, and it's already got 4,000 views. We can jump into the analytics a little bit. And you'll see that in the last 28 days, it's had 2,000 views, and it's typically getting about 2,000 views a month. We'll go to the lifetime. We'll just go to this year because that is the lifetime. Okay, so I started it, it looks like on the 28th of February. So the last day in February, I started this. And you can see that it's already getting some pretty good views. 4,000 views in about 2 months. So let's go look at what this channel has gotten me so far. So I've linked it up with my Amazon Associates account. And you can see the first month I made $33, which is not good money at all. Whoop-de-doo. But then after it started picking up some traction, let's go look at April 1st to the 30th. It's causing me to sign back in again. So that's for today. All right, so April 1st to the 30th. And you can see that it has made $71.14 in the month of April. So the way that I did this was I had my freelancer go out and write me 20 300-word articles. And it cost me $40, $2 an article. Then I went and created this channel and threw up about 20, I believe 20. Let's see how many. I have 20 videos on this. So I went up and threw up 20 videos, and they're all the same video. I had my outsourcer go and find the top rated products on Amazon for the specific keyword. And then all I did was just download the pictures and put them in the videos and put titles in the videos. So I basically just took the top products from Amazon, and then all I do is link out, and you'll see how simple these videos are. Let's look at one that's gotten a ton of views. All right, so this one's had 629 views. And let me turn down the volume. So you'll see that these are very simple videos. All I did was I put the product name, 4 bullet points about it. Then I just put links. I put a description of it, the title of it, and then I just put links to Amazon products. And that's all I did. And these videos has made me $100 in 2 months. So let's say $50 a month. And I had a $40 upfront cost. So I've profited $60. And not only that, but let me pause this video. Not only that, but now I have the upside that every single month, this channel is probably going to make me anywhere from $50 to $100. So $600 to $1,000 per year from one channel. $600 to $1,200 a year from one channel. Now, I know that this is not a lot of money, but if you start to think about this, it took me, let's say, 10 hours to set this channel up. Probably not even that. I'm saying more close to about 8 hours to set this channel up. So I paid $40. It took me 8 hours to make the videos and set the channel up. And then I put all the videos on there. It started gaining traction. And I'm going to make $600 to $1,200 a year. Imagine if you did this for 10, 15, 20 channels. You could do 20 YouTube channels of 20 videos apiece, was 400 videos. You could knock that out in 6 months, 3 months, 6 months, something like that. You could knock out 20 channels just like this. And if you had 20 channels just like this, that were, let's say that each one was making you $50 a month minimum. you're talking about $1,000 a month from 50 YouTube video channels. So you're talking about $12,000 a year. So I don't know about you, but I could definitely put $12,000 a year into some good use. And I've got about 4 of these channels, about 20 videos set up, and they're making me anywhere from about $200 to $400 a month with all 4 channels. So you can see there is potential. There is a lot of potential and a lot of upside to this. You just need to do it the right way, just like I showed you. So if you have any comments, questions, or concerns about this video, leave it in the comment section below and I will get back to you.